Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote keyless entry, FWD, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks, rear defrost, tilt steering wheel, bucket seats, cloth seats. Come see the car for yourself.